Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook profile using your laptop or PC. Once you're logged in, go to your profile picture at the top right corner and click it. Go to Settings and Privacy. Settings. Once you're here, look for the Account Center and click on See More in Account Center. Under the account settings, click personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and choose the Facebook profile that you want to delete. Choose deleting your account is permanent, continue, and choose the reason why you want to delete your Facebook, continue. Just scroll down, click continue. Just type in your password. Once you're here, you just need to click on this delete account button. Once you click it, it will permanently delete your account. Your account is now scheduled for deletion. Facebook gives you 30 days to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. After this period, your account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.